Alright, buddy, we got a Nintendo Switch here with an error code. You guys can see the error code on there. So let's take a look and see why it's doing that. Alright. And you can see that you stuck the headphones in there, and it is actually booting up. So next we're going to do is we're actually going to check and see if the speakers are shorted out and see if that's the cause of the problem. But here's a simple fix. So we think we hear a little buzzing from one of the speakers, so we're actually going to disconnect one of them here and see if that fixes, if that's our problem. If we got to shorten the speaker here. The system was dropped originally, so... Alright, so looks like this speaker is possibly the issue. We're going to try it now. Alright, so we found a pinch wire down there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try it, turn it over. And look at that. So there it was. So it looks like when it dropped and the wires got pinched in there. So simple fix, guys. Try to find the source of it, you know. And here you go, another great quality video. If you like and subscribe to our channel for other great videos coming forward, we appreciate the support. Thank you everybody for watching.